A man in Hanahan without a home tonight after strong wind and rains knocked a tree over and missed him by just a few feet.
A really scary situation. News 2's Jordan Sayopa has been on the scene all day for us. And Jordan, a really devastating aftermath in Hanahan.
Yeah, Aaron, Brendan, I mean, just look behind me. You could see what's left of this home. The man who was inside this morning was in his bedroom when the tree came crashing down. Luckily, he was able to make it out safely. A massive tree severed this Hanahan mobile home early Friday morning, narrowly missing the man inside.
I was sleeping in my bedroom around about 5:30 in the morning. I heard a big boom, come outside and seen the tree was laying on top of the house and both the cars. It's a total loss.
The tree tore through Lee Holland's kitchen just a few feet over from his bedroom. Hollins, who has been staying at the home on Old Point Road since his father's passing, was able to safely get out of his front door.
My dad passed away about 3 months ago, and if he didn't pass away, he'd been sitting at the kitchen table about that time drinking coffee. So I'm glad that it happened the way it did instead of like this.
Strong winds and rain associated with Hurricane Helene were to blame for the downed tree. The storm made landfall in Florida late Thursday night as a Category 4, but its impact stretched far beyond, causing wind damage and power outages here in the Lowcountry.
When he came up to get me so that I could go eat breakfast, the microwave had just cut out because he was cooking me pancakes, and then he just got finished, and then as soon as he was walking upstairs it just cut out.
So once power went out, you know, my family originally owned this trailer park, so I started walking around checking damage and found this is probably the worst thing I've seen yet in 6 years that this park's been around. He was pretty lucky.
Hollins agreed, saying the home has been in his family since 1986 and took on plenty of storms throughout the years, even Hurricane Hugo. Its sentimental value making this loss even harder.
So many weddings and deaths and people moving in and the family members and friends moving in and out of this place, you know. I talked to a lady this morning. I called her mom, was one of my friends' moms, and showed her the pictures, and she just started crying because all the memories that, you know, she come over here and sat on my porch and remember stuff that happened 20, 30 years ago, and it's all gone now.
And you can see that tree to blame over there. Now, Hollins says he doesn't have insurance, so he is figuring out what his next steps are. He says he'll likely stay with a friend for the time being. Reporting live in Hanahan, I'm Jordan Sayopa. Count on 2.